go.
I'm off. Going to be a short group ride on Mother's Day. We'll see if we have any mothers. Okay, we're off to do our Mother's Day ride over Shady Canyon. It's a smallish group, but a good group. After our good deed helping a bike rider fix a flat, we're off to Bayside, The View, Marguerite, and Shady Canyon. Russ and Horatio leading the way. It's Mother's Day. Wish all the mothers that are on the ride with us a happy Mother's Day. Getting the day off. So a change in plans. We're going up San Joaquin Hills. Well, so much for the conversational ride. At the false summit on San Joaquin Hills. Nice view. Top of Buck's Gully. Usually a BMW that does that. Well, that was fun. Coming down Shady Canyon, just passing Bomber Canyon. Gonna go over Shady Canyon in the bike lane. Boy, this is nice. Repaved this portion of the Shady Canyon bike trail. First summit on Shady Canyon eastbound. That's the 16th hole at Strawberry Farms. Leaving the trail head at Quail Hill. I'm going to head over to Juanita Mo and University Avenue.
Can we loop around one time?
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's loop around or something.
On the Juanita Mo Trail, heading to University Avenue, parallel to 405, on our way home.
Nice bike.